Hello and a very happy good morning, dear students. I am Preeti Gupta, and today I am going to discuss a new topic of your electrochemistry. And we are studied in the previous video, in the previous class, the introduction of electrochemistry and the Daniell cell. Now I am going to discuss here the some important terms related to cell. All right, so the first term is known as electrode potential. Second is known as standard electrode potential. Third is cell potential, and after that EMF, or we can say electromotive force of a cell. Students, to discuss here electrode potential, students just take a look on this diagram over here. Yes, we have discussed in the previous video also. So basically, you can see here in both the half cells, electrode and electrolyte interface. Basically, you can see here this is a electrode and this is a electrolyte solution. So electrode and electrolyte interface, metal ions in the solution have a tendency to leave the electrolyte. Okay, are you getting the thing what was I am saying to you all? हमने ये पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं कि अगर मान लीजिए यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रोड और इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का सॉल्यूशन है, तो यहाँ पर क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आर देयर, तो उनकी टेंडेंसी, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जिंक का इलेक्ट्रोड था बेसिकली, अगर हम बात करें उस चीज़ पे लेकर, तो जिंक का इलेक्ट्रोड था कि जिंक की टेंडेंसी होती है कि वो +2 में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा और +2 में कन्वर्ट होकर वो सॉल्यूशन में आ जाएगा. सॉल्यूशन में आते ही वो यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अकॉर्डिंगली कि Zn गिव राइज टू Zn+2, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स may be liberated. So here 2 electrons can possess. After that, this electrode becomes the negative charge, and for in this half cell, Cu+2 is in the electrolyte. Then when electron come from this pathway from zinc to copper, copper takes these electron and attach to the electrode. Then this electrode becomes the positive sign. So basically, students, what is our electrode potential? The difference, the potential difference between electrode and electrolyte interface. All right, the potential difference develops between the electrode and electrolyte. This is known as electrode potential. So the tendency of a metal to get oxidized or reduce when it is placed in a solution of its own salt is called electrode potential. All right, if the metal undergoes oxidation, the positive metal ions may pass into the solution. Obviously, जिंक का यहाँ पर ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ था, तो जो Zn+2 थे वो कहाँ पर आ रहे थे? आपके सॉल्ट सोल्यूशन में आ रहे थे. सो दैट मीन्स M give rise to Mn plus N electron. Okay, now if the metal undergoes reduction, then the negative ions may get deposit over the metal. We discussed in the previous video, students. So this is all about electrode potential. This is the first term of the cell. Now the second term, which is known as standard electrode potential. Students, standard means at standard temperature and pressure, if we talk, okay, in the terms of chemistry. So standard electron potential is a measure of tendency of a metallic electrode to lose or gain electrons, when it is in contact with a solution of its own salt of 1 molar concentration at 25 degree Celsius. We'll take the zinc and copper concentration in the Daniell cell, that is 1 mole decimeter cube per decimeter cube. So this is known as the standard electrode potential. It is a measure of tendency of metallic electrode to lose or gain electrons when it is in contact with a solution of its own salt of 1 molar concentration at 25 degrees Celsius, or we can say 298 Kelvin. So students, if you can see in this diagram, at one half cell oxidation takes place and the another half cell reduction takes place. So according to the standard electrode potential, there are two electrode potential. Basically, one is standard reduction potential, another one is standard oxidation potential. But we go in chemistry, we go with the IUPAC. All right, so according to IUPAC convention, standard reduction potential of a cell is now called the standard electrode potential. Just remember this line. This line is very much important कि IUPAC के अनुसार जो स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल बोला गया है वो किसको बोला गया है? रिडक्शन इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल को बोला गया है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, according to IUPAC convention, standard reduction potential of a cell is now standard electrode potential. Here I am going to write standard electrode potential. Next is cell potential, and it is very much important. Sometimes direct question I ask कि calculate करिए cell potential को. So the cell potential difference between the two electrodes, or we can say the potential difference between the two half cell. One is oxidation, another one is reduction. So the difference between the potential difference between the two electrodes. Okay, it is the difference between standard reduction potential of cathode and standard reduction potential of anode. All right, so we can write it as in the form of E naught cell is equals to E naught. E naught here means the standard. All right, cathode minus E naught anode, minus E naught anode. Next, electromotive force of a cell, or we can say EMF of a cell. It is the potential difference when no current is drawn through the cell. All right, it is measured in volts, students. So we can write it EMF is equals to reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. Basically students, it depends upon the nature of metal and its ion, concentration of electrolytes which we are used, and the important thing is temperature. So basically this is all about the terms related with the cell. Now students, the next topic is known as the cell representation. How to represent a cell? I write it here in the short terminology ABC. A means anode, B means bridge, two vertical lines are there, and C means cathode. जैसे जैसे मैं आगे बढ़ूंगी लेक्चर के वैसे वैसे मैं आपको ये क्लियर करती जाऊंगी कि कैसे सेल बनाते हैं. ठीक है, तो स्टेप नंबर 1 इज दिस: राइट द केमिकल रिएक्शन, और वी कैन से सेल रिएक्शन. स्टेप नंबर 2, स्प्लिट द रिएक्शन इनटू टू हाफ रिएक्शन. दो हाफ रिएक्शन में आपको स्प्लिटिंग करनी है. स्टेप नंबर 3, रिप्रेजेंट द कंप्लीट रिएक्शन अकॉर्डिंग टू द कन्वर्जन डिस्कस्ड अबव. पूरी रिएक्शन में आपने क्या करना है, एक बार रिएक्शन बना ली, अगर बैलेंस की रिक्वायरमेंट है तो बैलेंस करिए रिएक्शन को. उसके बाद एक ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ सेल की रिएक्शन बनाएंगे, एक रिडक्शन हाफ सेल की रिएक्शन बनाएंगे. उसके बाद जो हमने जिस तरह से हमने देखा कि ऑक्सीडेशन जो हो रहा है वो एनोड पर हो रहा है, उसके बाद कैथोड पर क्या हो रहा है, रिडक्शन का प्रोसेस हो रहा है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग जिस तरह से ऊपर लिखा है मैंने ABC, इस फॉर्मेट में हमें उसको जमाना है. और उसके बाद कैलकुलेट करेंगे EMF, दैट इज E नॉट ऑफ द सेल, which is equal to E cathode minus E anode. All right, or we can say E right minus E left. All right students, so just take an example. Question is this ki formulate the electrochemical cell represent the reaction. So here I am take the copper and silver cell, Ag cell. Here you can see Cu in the solid form and Ag plus in the aqueous, and in the left hand side Cu2 plus Ag, right? Here you can see the charge is not same. So what we have to make the charge same? We have to balance the reaction, right? So now I am going to balance the reaction. Here you can see +2 charge is over here. So the overall charge I have to write it +2 over here. All right students, and to balance our silver, what I have to do? I have to make it 2 over here. So basically this is known as a chemical reaction. This is a perfect chemical reaction. All right, now the first step is done. Second, split the reaction into two half cells. Am I right? So can I split the cells? Now I'm going to split these cells. First of all, copper. Here you can see copper converts into Cu2 plus. It means it liberates 2 electron. That means oxidation half cell, OHC. All right, और ऑक्सीडेशन कहाँ पर होता है? एनोड पर. सो बेसिकली ये रिएक्शन कहाँ हो गई? एट एनोड पर. नेक्स्ट एट कैथोड. एट कैथोड व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन एट कैथोड? यस, Ag plus 2 electron, basically twice Ag give rise to twice Ag in the solid. Okay, so I cleared the second step, that I split the reaction into two half reaction. Now what we studied, right, in the form of ABC, and we studied also कि जो IUPAC है उसने क्या नाम दिया है कि स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल को किस फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है? रिडक्शन की फॉर्म में. सो हेयर आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट अ सेल. जस्ट लुक एट दिस सेल. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ए मीन्स एनोड. एनोड पे क्या हो रहा है? ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है. सो ऑक्सीडेशन की रिएक्शन कौन सी वाली है? फर्स्ट वाली है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इट लाइक दिस, कॉपर. ऑल राइट, एंड इट इज इन द सॉलिड फॉर्म. एक वर्टिकल लाइन खींचेंगे दोनों के बीच में, क्योंकि इन दोनों के बीच में इंटरफेस है इलेक्ट्रोलाइट और इलेक्ट्रोड के बीच में, तो हम यहाँ पर एक इंटरफेस लगा देंगे कुछ इस तरीके से, कॉपर. उसके बाद में स्टूडेंट्स हम यहाँ लिखेंगे Cu2+, दैट इज इन द एक्वस फेज. आफ्टर दैट एज अ ब्रिज इज देयर, दैट मीन्स मुझे दो वर्टिकल्स लाइन्स यहाँ पर खींचनी पड़ेंगी, तो मैं कुछ इस तरह से खींचूंगी. Cu से Cu+2 बन रहा है. उसके बाद में Ag+ से क्या बन रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? क्या बन रहा है? Ag. So this is known as to how to represent a cell, how to make a cell. It is very important, students. So I repeat it again. How to represent a cell, student? Basically ABC, just learn this format, ABC. All right, A means anode, B means bridge, that is salt bridge, and C is cathode. All right, so step number 1 says that write the chemical reaction or the cell reaction. Step number 2, we write the cell reaction over in the question. Just see in the question, copper plus 2 Ag plus, this is a chemical reaction. Now according to the step number 2, I'll split this reaction into two halves. One is oxidation, another one is reduction. So at one reaction placing at the anode, another one is at the cathode. Third one, represent the complete reaction according to the conversion. जो हमने अभी कन्वर्जन किया है कि दो, अगर मान लीजिए ए है, नॉट पर रिएक्शन हो रही है, इसका मतलब हमें स्प्लिटिंग करनी पड़ेगी. इस तरह से हमने स्प्लिटिंग कर दी. ठीक है, दिस इज नोन एज द इंटरफेस बिटवीन कॉपर एंड Cu+2 आयन. दिस इज द इंटरफेस बिटवीन Ag+ एंड Ag, and this is what about, this is known as the salt bridge. So you can easily write the any cell, you can write it ABC. Okay, in the next video I am going to tell you how to calculate the EM of the cell. Thank you, students.